Here you go, guys, for you who've never seen the pigments. Look at it, that's still in its powder form. Just look how dense and fluid. They look like liquid because they are so dense. So I'm going to pop. You only need a little bit because we're just going to be doing that. WoodUbend. And always put your pigments in first, because if you put your liquid in, you might get it too runny. So always put your liquid in, your pigments in first, and then you can just add a little bit of top coat sealer at a time. I'm just going to mix that up, and they always need thoroughly mixing, guys. They're so dense that they really do need mixing very well. And then I'm just going to come in with the silver. Isn't that pretty, guys? So I'm just dry brushing over, and I've now decided, because I can see on the camera as I'm coming into the middle, I'm going to make this solid silver. I'll just give it a really bright focal point. You can see what I've done there. I've just made that into a really highlighted area. And then around the edges, I'll just lightly catch some of these tails, just to give it a gradient of, I don't know how much I've achieved that, but that's what I was going for anyway. You know, play around. Welcome to the Hotel California. So, hope you enjoyed it today. I've really enjoyed it. I've enjoyed playing.